If you're trying to break into project management, but you keep hearing you need experience, I know how annoying that sounds. This is for you. Let's get you real hands-on experience that actually gets you hired. My hands-on project management accelerator program gives you hands-on experience managing a realistic gaming project, just like in a real studio. And you can join the waitlist and get 10% off. And this is going to be your perfect opportunity to get the hands-on experience. As you already know, most courses give you the theory, and just as important as the theory is, so is the hands-on experience. And we know that it's very difficult to get that hands-on experience. And this is exactly why this accelerator course was birthed. You'll be working on a realistic gaming project, analyzing the brief, putting together your project plan, which includes the timeline. You'll be managing deadlines, you'll be tracking the project, and you'll manage the project from start to finish, just like a real life project. The Accelerator program helps you to build your own portfolio of game projects that you've managed from start to finish. You'll learn to understand and dissect the brief, and then deliver the project, so you understand the full life cycle of a gaming project, and you will walk away with the skill sets needed to manage a project within the gaming sector. I will be guiding you through every step, giving you inside tips, giving you feedback, and gain practical job-ready skills. Join the waiting list and get 10% off once this is launched. But the 10% is only for the people who have joined. And if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message on LinkedIn like you guys already do. Spots will be limited, so if you are serious about gaining experience in the gaming, creative tech sector, hit the link now and join the waitlist. This is for you. Let's get you real hands-on experience that actually gets you hired.